When you go to the doctor, you only think that it's in and out, but it's developing long-lasting relationships with their provider, the patients, that they can bring their whole family and enjoy the care that we would provide.
Hey everybody, welcome to the CEP Weekly Buzz. I'm Tom James.
And I'm Sullivan Hogan.
This week's Buzz is in partnership with South State Bank and TB20.
Ocala residents will soon have access to enhanced healthcare services with the opening of the new Florida Blue Sanitas clinic.
So the specific services that we are offering are annual wellness visits, preventive screenings, flu vaccine, pneumonia vaccine, pap smears, EKG, labs. We provide those variety of services to make sure that we have the best health outcomes for our patients by giving them preventive health care. So currently, we are working very closely with Florida Blue, and they've been working in the Florida market for over 80 years. So we will leverage existing specialists and other providers that they have, but we want to make sure that we're working collaboratively to get the best support for our patients in each of our clinics. Ocala is one of the reasons why we're seeing that it's ranked number 4 in the US Census, and there's a greater number of people who need health care. And so Florida Blue is in the business of helping patients as a solution to their health care, to make sure that they have access to care for not only the patients, but also their caregivers, and to make sure that we have the best outcomes for our patient population. Long term definitely is to continue to expand and grow, to provide services related to mental health, related to pharmacy, and to develop a better relationship with the community to support the patients so that they can have lifelong health and health expectations, where when you go to the doctor, you only think that it's in and out, but it's developing long-lasting relationships with their provider, the patients, that they can bring their whole family and enjoy the care that we would provide, because we provide a holistic type of care.
To celebrate the opening, the clinic is hosting a grand opening event on February the 7th from 11 to 11:30 a.m.
The community is invited to attend and experience the clinic firsthand.
It's a great opportunity to meet the staff and learn more about the services offered.
Sanitas has been in healthcare for over 40 years. And the main solution that we talk about is mind, body, and spirit. Working with the community, developing long-term health, partnering with the community partners such as food banks and other community services are going to be important, so that when our patients leave, we're not just giving them a temporary solution, but we're giving them a long-term health solution.
This week's episode of the Weekly Buzz is sponsored by South State Bank.
Well, this week we're celebrating a major milestone with the CEP Weekly Buzz, our 300th episode.
For over 6 years, the Buzz has been your trusted source for the latest news and insights on the Ocala metro area's dynamic business and development scene. We're incredibly grateful to our loyal viewers for joining us on this journey. Here's to continued growth, innovation, and showcasing the vibrant spirit of this community. That's all for this week's episode of the Weekly Buzz. I'm Sullivan Hogan.
And I'm Tom James for the CEP, the catalyst for a prosperous community.